Revolute Robotics, transforming today, innovating tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Robot Philosophy. I'm your host, Robo Phil. We're exploring the cutting edge of robotics and automation. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a leader in this dynamic field, Revolute Robotics. Revolute Robotics is revolutionizing the industry with the autonomous ground and aerial robots built for challenging environments. Their flagship products, their hybrid mobility robot, H.M.R for short, is a versatile tool designed for inspections and surveillance in confined, complex and extreme spaces. The H.M.R boasts hybrid mobility, seamless switching between rolling and flying to navigate obstacles and conserve energy. With a durable exoskeleton, it can safely explore tight spaces without the fear of collision. Its customizable payload allows for interchangeable cameras and sensors tailored to meet the needs of inspection crews, security services and first responders. Revolute Robotics excels in autonomous operation, utilizing initiative mission planning algorithms for minimum supervision. The GPS-denied navigation combines LED lighting, stabilization sensors, and robust transmission systems far beyond visual line of sight. So that's BVLOS for short, inspections. Additionally, their multi-robot capabilities enables a swarm of robots to maintain continuous situational awareness over large sites. Revolute Robotics is committed to continuous innovation and user-friendly design, ensuring their robots integrate seamlessly into existing workflows. The diverse team is passionate about technology and dedicated to making a positive impact on society, building a brighter, more automated future. Thanks for joining us at Robot Philosophy, guys. Let's embrace the future of automation together.